Healing didn't feel empowering at first. It felt like lying on the bathroom floor crying. It felt like guilt. It felt like anger at myself for not leaving sooner. I didn't wake up one day and love myself. I took therapy. I took silence. I took relapses, texting him, blocking him, then unblocking again. I had to forgive myself for the cycle. The truth is, healing isn't linear. You don't go from victim to healed like flipping a switch. You fall apart. You rebuild. Some days you feel nothing. Some days you feel too much. That's normal. And here's what helped. Trauma-informed therapy, journaling even when I had a bad day or hated what came out, surrounding myself with people who didn't judge me, and letting go of needing closure. He never gave it to me. I had to give it to myself. If you're still healing, you're doing it. Even if no one else sees. Even if it doesn't look like progress. I see you.